Hey everyone, I'm back again with a quick mBot2 video. Today we'll see how to calibrate the Quad RGB sensor on the mBot2. So when should you calibrate the Quad RGB sensor? Let's say you wrote an amazing line follower program. For example, you followed my line follower crash course, but the robot begins turning in circles or does not follow the line well. In these conditions, calibrating the sensor can be a way to fix the problem. Sometimes color detection issues could also be fixed by calibrating the Quad RGB sensor. Now let's get into it and actually perform the calibration. To perform the calibration, you will need the mBot2 robot with the Quad RGB sensor installed and the line following sheet that it came with. The Quad RGB sensor has a white button as marked in this image that can be used to trigger the calibration procedure. To start calibration, double press the button like you would double click on a mouse. The 4 blue indicator LEDs and the fill lights start flashing. At this point, calibration has started. Sway or move the 4 sensors over and out of the black line until the flashing stops. Now, when on the white surface, the background, we should see all 4 blue indicator LEDs hold steady. None of them should turn off. As you move each sensor above the black line, you should see the corresponding sensor's blue indicator LED turn off. When on the other side of the line, all 4 sensors are back on the white background, so you'll see them all be powered back on. Once again, notice the indicator LED's behavior as I sway the robot across the black line and onto the other side. If you see the same, congratulations! Your Quad RGB sensor is now calibrated. If you're seeing different behavior, something may have gone wrong during the calibration process, so simply repeat the process and you should end up with a properly calibrated Quad RGB sensor. That's it for today. I know this was short, but I hope this helps fix any line follower issues that you may have. Have a great rest of your day and happy programming. I'll see you in the next one.